Dear USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all on the same page on this ongoing, very crucial, very important civil justice sign off that is provided for myself because I am Vedapriya Prose, and it is because the United States of America, with fatal negligence, created the robocall poverty mandate and enforced poverty and created enforced finance disability for me. And United States of America do not have any birthright to enforce poverty for me. So I have to sign off the civil justice sign off for myself, and it is also a multitasking wherein I'm also displaying the true health creators to the United States of America. So side by side, so I will be getting the salary one side, I'll be getting the civil justice one side, then I'll also get the job offer sign off one side, and then I will start the job and I'll also get the all medical compensation finance aid for the entire human kingdom. So it's all a multitasking process. Okay. So I will read this civil justice sign off to be on the same page. For I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs as of February 2021. Any salary, as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, true Israelite Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. So, what is this scandal faces of Republica Europe nations worldwide is all about? You all might be shocked, and please digest the raw truth. And yes, chew it, right? And then it is a healing process, meaning at least I displayed the true criminals to the USA government. So, there is a fix. So, whoever destroyed all the USA operations will be thrown on the volcano in Hawaii. So, yes, my dear fellow mankind, you will be, I already educated that you all will be seeing a true Israel versus a fake Israel, right? True Jew versus a fake Jew. True Jerusalem versus a fake Jerusalem, right? True Ark of the Covenant versus the fake. So, when I'm displaying the true versus the fake, how easy is it is for the nations to fix the scandal? Got it? So you all along I've been educating what? What is the meaning of true Israel? One more time. Tell me. It is true love, clean love, virgin love, innocent love, naive love. And the first telltale attribute of a true Israelite Christian Jew is what? They never know how to hurt fellow mankind. That is the first telltale sign of a to identify the true Israelite Christian Jew. Now, you all know who are the fake Jews, right? Because there should never be any war at all. Got it? Because why? On the bottom line, on a very, very basic level, the true Israelite tribe Christian Jews, they never know to fight. They never know to hurt fellow mankind. They can display only cleanest love, right? And they are absolutely wisest. The other people will just envy and jealous of the how wisest they are. Sadly, those people, they do not even aware these true Christian Israelite Christian Jew. They fear only who in this whole entire planet? Always only true God. So that means they can even die only for true God, nobody else. They will fear only true God, they will die only for true God, they do not fear anybody. These are all the telltale signs of the true Israelite Christian Jews. And what is the another important education I provided? All the nations, not today, not 2 days back, not 500 years back. USA is just only very youngest nation, 500 years old. But I'm talking about 5,000, 10,000, maybe 50,000 years back. They were providing prosecution only to the true Israelite Christian Jews because they worship only true God. They will never ever bow in front of the absolute monarchs and worship them as God. It's been a track record. There is a track record, that's a proof, right? You all aware that how Daniel was thrown in the lion's den, how Daniel and his friends were enslaved when the Babylonians went and enslaved the Israel land, and they wanted the Nebuchadnezzar king wanted Daniel and his friends to worship him as a god, but they told him they cannot, and they was thrown on the gas chamber. So these are all the telltale signs how the Germany, Poland, Warsaw, in fact created that 16,000 approximate gas chambers to throw all the Jews, right? Because it's all coming from the bloodline of that Babylonian foolish empire. And who are those in today's, who are those that 5,500, let's say 5,000 or 10,000 or 50,000 years back, they were there, right? Who are they today? Who are those faces today? It is Queen Elizabeth II, got it? It is Pope Francis. It is the Islam leaders. So are you all in same page with me thus far? Yeah, this is very important because I am doing an absolutely multitasking. I'm doing education, I'm explaining all the scandal one by one. I'm also revealing the Satan, the Antichrist, say Lucifer one side. I'm also displaying the true, right? So now we all aware how fake Israel have been fooling United States of America, all in the name of peace war, have been destroying. It's only to get the dollars. It's only to get the tax. So the USA nation is so foolish. They all get fooled only with the true Christian names. Why? Israel means what? True Christian name, right? So they got fooled. Oh, it is only for peace war this fake Israel and the Gaza is asking? Okay, why can't we throw dollars? So that is how much dollars they have been throwing to the fake Israel and Gaza war for long. And all along in worldwide, the news channels were providing their show. They were telling peace war, peace war. But in literally what it was a deadliest hell mandate, and they were at the cost of destroying the civilians' life, making them handicapped, right? Because of the wars, and at the cost of abusing the military power. They were only getting dollars from the USA. They have to show something to get dollars from the USA government. What can they do? They have to tell all the sweet talks. See, there's a peace war, like that. And this foolish USA government not even aware how can a war be a peace war at the first place. You tell me, mighty fellow mankind. There should never be a war, right? But then they were so foolish, they never even got to think, oh no, peace war is another scam. But they were throwing out dollars and dollars, and that is how USA became $22 trillion deficit nation. They never knew. It was just the going out of their sight, right under their nose of the USA government only. All the dollars was going on the different directions, and they never knew where it was going. Now they knew. And they must, I already said USA is the happiest nation. All USA have to do is just sign the job offer to me, and all USA nation have to just say to the whole nation, worldwide nations, worldwide, that hey, you know what? We USA got the rock that anchored in the oceans, the Vedapriya, the wisest lady in the whole entire planet Earth. Boom, that's all is needed. When I stand, all the fake Israel will just try to run, to hide. Oh no, they cannot run and hide because I own all the nations, oceans, everything. They just cannot. That means the fake Israel leader, prime minister, the Netanyahu, right? He cannot run and hide. So I am the only one who is going to bail out. And I will decide who gets to stay in the earth and who gets out of the earth. Okay? So wait, watch and see what happens. It'll be super fun. So Republica Queen Elizabeth II created World Zionism, is the deadliest communism, is the deadliest atheism, is the deadliest paganism, is an Islam Judaism organization headquartered only in the United States of America. Now I told, do not panic, my dear fellow mankind. Just eat the raw truth, chew it, digest it. It's a healing process. Just be aware I am there, okay? Yes, the truth will create lot of emotional turmoil for the population, because whatever they were thinking of truth is all fake. So that is a lot of emotional trauma, right? So I'm going to get medical compensation for that as well. Wait, watch, and see. So now we all got it. Why there are wars? Why there are slave ships? Everything. Now tell me, if only the World Zion Organization is a true Israel organization, there should never have been any wars in the earth. There should never have been any domestic violence of slavery, hatred, discrimination in the earth. There should never have been any poison religion in the earth. Can you get it? So, what did I say? I said what? Pope Francis is going to run from Vatican, slow, not in a slow motion. Oh, like what? Fast motion? Whatever. He's just going to run and just jump in the volcano and he'll be gone in ashes. Okay? Just wait, watch and see. So, Republica Queen Elizabeth II created World Zionism, is a deadliest communism, is an atheism, is a paganism, is an Islam Judaism organization in United States of America. So this is a live bullet proof that how innocent USA nation, without the awareness of United States of America, beyond got destroyed part, the most important truth is what? Either they became Babylon nation. Islam Judaism nation without the awareness, and USA is thinking USA is a Christian nation. No. USA nation is thinking USA is the one largest Democrat nation. No. USA is the one deadliest, venomous, Republican, Babylonian, Islam Judaism, communism nation. And do you know how much of emotional turmoil now the Pentagon of USA will undergo through? Because their bloods boil, and they went war against all the Asian nations just to destroy communism, not aware that USA itself is a communism nation. So what are they going to do about the medical compensation that they have to provide it for all the wars? You name it. You name anything, be it civil wars or the internal wars or the native Indian tribe wars or genocide or martyrs or anything, you name it. Worldwide they went and destroyed. USA went and destroyed every nation. That is why all the Asian nations curses USA, my dear fellow mankind. Do you all know that? Are you all aware of it? That all the non-American nations, be it Europe nations and the Asian nations, all they curse USA to death. Why? The USA went and did war, all in the name of war. Communism. And who misguided them? I know, Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis. Got it? So why, when the USA is concentrating on the war every single second, every day, what will happen? The nation operations will get destroyed. When nation operations gets destroyed, what will happen? The government operations will get destroyed. What will happen when government operations like public sectors and the private sectors get destroyed? The innocent population of USA will not get any help from the government. What will happen when innocent population will not get any help from the government? The population will be tortured to death every day. What will happen when population are tortured to death every day in the United States of America? Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis can take and drink the blood of humans as in the form of tax. Why? USA every single day they have to provide a status report to the Queen Elizabeth II and Pope that this many population died, this many population gathered by the white skin cops and thrown in jail, and these many population were died in the war every single second, and these many population died because of eating the genetic modified food got from the abuse of grocery stores. Like this they have to break down and provide all the tax billing. Where? To Pope Francis and Queen Elizabeth II. And what will they do? They will eat tax dollars for the breakfast. They will eat tax dollars for the snacks. They will eat tax dollars for the lunch. They will eat tax dollars for the dinner. They will also wear the tax dollars only for sleeping. Meaning, they will sleep peacefully only when they know that these many people have been tortured, death, bloodshed was provided, and they enjoy the sufferings of fellow mankind. Now, in all the scandal, who took the curse? United States of America alone. Why? Do you all know why? It is the United States of America only helping out all the nations, be it Europe nations, be it Asia nations. They are only funding. All the national operation fundings are provided by only United States of America. So now then come to the micro level detail of how exactly the cunningness of leprosy diseased Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brinks is provided. Right? Can you see how, can you all witnessing how they are super cunning? And I am the only one who is going to bail out those two people as well. And they are going to resign immediately. I'll just get out. Because I have all the authority to remove all the doctor's certification from a whole entire planet. But then there is innocence also is involved. And if at all people have to get some surgery done or that medical anatomy processing, then these foolish, cunning doctors only have to do it. Can you all see how they made the population also to be dependent on them? Now I only have to step in. I have to slap all the doctors on the face, left and right. And then I will only guide, hey doctors, this is how you have to provide the medical services. That is how they will provide. Right? So, meaning the Department of Health Services do not have a good leader. For how long it's been going on? For 500 long years? No, good leader. If you, it is my understanding. Oh my God. President Trump fears me because he knows that I knows everything. And President Obama fears me only because he knows that I know everything. So tell me now, President Joe Biden will resign in any second is happening right now, my dear fellow mankind. You know what? State of Maryland, these are all the patterns. I was explaining to you the different states that comes under that Jesuits regions, right? They were the ones who mandated the doctors to reject any kind of medical services to the African Americans, and state of Maryland is one of them. So that means, let's say if an African American is pregnant, okay, and undergoing through a labor pain. So, no, everybody, it's a common sense that they know that labor pain is the highest level of pain women can get, and that is a normal thing, it's a healthy thing only. Right? But then, that is, I have to say, only women get that. That is why women are the excellent caregivers after all. Okay? Those are all the life proof. So men cannot never ask, oh no, why women are always, no. Then I will say, go men, go get pregnant now and get the labor pain now and then come and ask me whatever it is, right? I already educated. If President Joe Biden is going to ask, I will say, no, go get pregnant now, get the labor pain now itself. Get pregnant now in 1 second, get labor pain now in 1 second, get the umbilical cord now in 1 second, means he will go crazy. He will say to me, he will resign and get out of the White House immediately. Right? Because the scandal is so deadliest and he should understand that. So what is he going to say? That, so when an African American woman is having a labor pain and a white skin means, please do not mistake me, I am mistaking me when I am addressing white skin and black skin. I already educated, it is never about the white skin and a black skin. The scandal I'm talking about is beyond that. Got it? It's never a racial slur, it's never a racism, nothing of that sort. Just keep those foolishness aside. Just listen to me quietly. So, when let's say a German immigrant and American here, you have white skin, and also she also woman having a labor pain. Now both the women are having the labor pain, means both the labor pain is the same level intensity of the pain. And the risk is regardless of a normal pregnancy or a risk pregnancy, women are always at risk when they are in the labor pain and delivering baby. They can die anytime. It is known worldwide. So, but then what does this Pope Francis, Roman Jesuits, Roman Catholic Christianity, fancy organization, the state of Maryland provided to the doctors? Do not provide any medical services for black skin African Americans. Now tell me, okay, the doctors, they have to do a pledge when they are entering into the medical college. Yes, I will work only towards the welfare of the humans. That is a pledge. Means nobody will go behind each and every single doctor and check out whether they are pledging correctly from the bottom of the heart with conscience. No, I already said nobody can teach how humans to hate or love humans, right? Nobody can teach. So that means even in the medical college, nobody can teach. Even the pledge also, nobody can teach the pledge. It's all have to come according to their individual choices only. So now tell me, they do that pledge and they have to study 10 long years of complex anatomy of the human system. They graduate, they become assistant medical thing for guiding the, just be an intern for 5 years, and then become a doctor, then become a big hospitals, and then they open their own organization like that. And it will take close to 20 years after all. 10 years to learn the anatomy, 5 years to practice, then another 5 years to become the well-recognized surgeon or a doctor like that. Approximately 20 years of time they have to spend. And in that 20 of time spending, approximately up until 50 years or 60 years, they will be paying only student loan. So even in the student loan, they have to get married, they have to take care of the children. So doctors are not, they are getting highly paid to pay back their student loan only. So even for their monthly services, they will get only minimal thing. But then how government is helping them? They get free housing, free zero loans like that. Now beyond that, okay, they graduate, they become a doctor. So they wear fancy doctor's dress, like the white coat or whatever coat they have, and the stethoscope. Oh, how fancy it is. Like the sound of wearing that coat itself creates a lot of emotional happiness. Right. But then on the other side, what happens? The Pope says, hey doctors, just reject any medical services for African Americans or the colored skin population. What they have to do? Either they have to quit, they have to throw all the stethoscope, the white color coat. In India, doctors wear white color coat. I don't know what color coat the doctors wear in USA. Okay, but then they have to throw the coat, the uniform, the burqa clothing, right? And then the stethoscope on the face of Pope Francis, and they have to quit and get out. But on the other end, what they can do? They have to chew the injustice. And then for the survival mode, they also need to be in the job, because once when they are in the medical field, there is no unemployment. Always they'll have the job, no matter what, lifetime job. Okay, and their work is like 24/7. Meaning, let's say if a doctor is sleeping, and he or she might get a call telling that there is a cardiac patient, please come and attend. So he will run immediately to the clinic and work on this heart surgeon. Just like that. Means you all understood what labor the doctor have to provide, right? So that means he might even not have any time to even wear a healthy clothing. Even in pajamas he might even run, because his doctor's job is what? Always help the humans, right? So that is how he will be running in his mind, in his or her mind, even when sleeping. So it is a noble job after all. But then all the scandal that got injected, the toxins got injected, and the doctors became helpless mode. Now tell me, how many African Americans, not only in state of Maryland, in all 50 states, whenever they went inside a medical facility, I'm just talking about the pregnancy mode. Pregnancy mode is the highest labor. So that means the doctors will upfront, being a merciless creature, they'll upfront reject and they'll say African pregnant woman who's in labor, just get up. They'll say only that. But on the same side, let's say the German American women who is having a labor pain, they will provide all kind of medical care, make sure that she gets healthy, normal delivery, not even C-section. So C-section is another scandal. Got it? So it's happening worldwide, and I'm going to provide I nailed it down, my fellow mankind. I nailed down all the health creations. Don't worry about that. Okay? So can you all imagine? So what is President Joe Biden going to say about that? Dear Mr. President Joe Biden, are you aware that state of Maryland or Baltimore or where in any other states, or Cook County or Ferguson, Michigan, or Ferguson, Missouri, and then Flint, Michigan, like that, African Americans, they get rejected of the basic medical services. What have you done, Mr. President Joe Biden, being a lawyer and a lawmaker? He will run out of White House immediately, next 1 second. Right? How many African Americans, they died without getting any medical services? At the same time, how many white European Americans got the same medical services and they were able to get all of it? So that is how the Department of Children and Families became a scandal in a scandal. I already said in 1935 means approximately it was an end of that World War II era, and the Jews and the Europeans were running fastest than wind from Europe nations to running to touch the Ellis Island just to get the citizenship, just to be in a free mode, right? And that means around that time, the few good men, right, good men or women, they were witnessing how much of torture these African Americans have to undergo through in the hands of white skinned population. And they thought, okay, why can't we open a welfare organization? And that way, at least even in the prosecution provided by Pope Francis or Queen Elizabeth, indirectly we can, in the name of government operation mode, why can't we help the African Americans? But these people are so cunning. This Pope Francis and the Queen Elizabeth are so cunning. They figured it out, and they even injected toxins to the welfare services. So Department of Children and Families, they reject upfront any benefits, you name it, any benefits, rental assistance, medical assistance, insurance assistance, you name anything, my dear fellow mankind. Everything upfront they are rejected for African Americans. And who are the true owners of this United States of America? It is only African Americans. It is only Native Indian tribes. It is only colored skin Asians. But who gets all the free benefits? Who are not owners of the USA. Can you all imagine? Can you all understand why God's labor is God's labor? Because nobody thought President Barack Obama will become a president in that time frame. He's the only first African American to become a president. So can you all imagine that it was a God's labor? Because even I think he should have been a senator or something like that. But then everybody in that government world, they must have known that he surely will become president one day because of his governance, right? But then how he became helpless mode? The Republican Mitch McConnell, foolish, right? He provided all roadblocks, and that is why even President Obama, being a lawyer, could not put any task, could not do any task in his whole entire time. In fact, he was 2 times elected, right? He was not able to provide any task only because this Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell be foolish, provided all the roadblocks after roadblocks. Now tell me, what is President Joe Biden going to do? That's a track record always. Hillary Clinton never became president because of the roadblock provided by the Republicans. And President Obama, being a lawyer, were not able to provide anything because the roadblock provided by the Republicans. What is President Joe Biden going to do about that? Tell me. So that is why I have to step in. So I can slap that Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell, and he will listen only to me, nobody else in the whole entire planet Earth. Got it? So that means wisdom only wins always, my dear fellow mankind. Nobody likes the foolishness. Now, can you all see, I am at least saying upfront that Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell should resign immediately. What is President Joe Biden saying? Tell me. Can you all see how he's a scam after all? At least President Trump is, I'm displaying innocence of President Trump versus I'm just displaying both of them. Both President Trump and President Joe Biden, they both are having different personalities. That is always there because everybody is different. But then beyond on the personalities part of it, what I'm displaying is the innocence of President Trump after all. Can you all get it? Right? So that means even President Trump would not like that the Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell, but he has to chew that injustice and just live with it. So tell me, when even a Republican President Trump could not even do anything about that Republican GOP leader, how on the earth President Joe Biden going to work on in a healthy way, team way? It is impossible, right? Whatever he is going to say, this foolish Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell is going to say no. Then what is Vice President Kamala Harris, being a lawyer, going to do? Helpless mode. What is Chuck Schumer, Democrat leader, is going to do? Nothing. He become puppet mode. He become helpless mode. What is Nancy Pelosi, being a lawyer, going to do? Nothing. Impossible. Zero. Can you all see how the scandal has been increased exponentially? And it will not be any more, because I am going to step in. I am going to change everything. I am going to rewrite everything from the scratch. I am going to provide the organization structure for this is how the USA government going to be moving forward. Means I just do not want any more presidents in the USA. No. Well, for that, USA should have earned something to even have that presidency processing. What did they do? They destroyed every operations. So what I'm saying is just have President Trump end the entire presidency. Start new. Means I will provide a new organization chart. And even we can have a new leadership titles for everything. We can remove the Senate, we can remove the tag called House of, everything will remove it, because they are all it's all replicated or duplicated or mirrored or cloned, you name it, whatever word. It's all mirrored, or it was all created after the Roman Empire. When Roman Empire created hell, does even a USA nation even have to follow that? No, right? And a nation should be always having that law processing. When a law is invalid, disproved, that law should be grandfathered or sunsetted or shut down immediately. That is how a nation operation should provide. But then there are so many laws which are invalid, which is active. That itself is a waste of money. So, yes, you all might be wondering, yes, my dear fellow mankind, this World Zion Organization is a one hell organization. Absolute hell. Absolute hell. The blood cells level, they are so hell. Count how many cells in a human blood cells. That many level they are cunning. That many level they are exponentially increased cunning people. They just enjoy the sufferings of fellow mankind. So that means if you're seeing in the financial banking sector, the CEOs, they're all Jews. So they will eat lot of food, they will eat dollars. But then when a poor is coming and asking for financial aid, they will say no. But they will have lot of money in the bank, but they'll say no. And they earn out of the blood of the poorest only, and that is called the interest processing. Do you all know why banks are at fault and handcuffed by me? There should never be any interest provided, no matter what. So that is all a telltale sign. It is all a Islam Judaism way of earning salaries in a wrongful way, or by drinking human blood as a form of interest. They just live like that. They just live the way I am aware of it. I am absolutely aware of it. It is only Islam and it is only Judaism. They only know that way of life. So that means how you all got it today, how Dubai built the skyscrapers. I already said what? Boom, 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 just like that. I do not even need a bomb to blast all the skyscrapers in Dubai and Saudi Arabia. Just like that, without any nuclear bomb, all the skyscrapers will be fallen down in ashes. Right? Those were built out of slavery. So I am the only one who can slap on the face of all the Islam leaders, and all of them will jump out in the volcano and be gone in ashes. So what exactly Zion organization means? Cloning, meaning they copied whatever organic OIC means Organization of Islam Cooperation. They just mirrored it and they cloned it and created a new organization called World Zion Organization to fool USA. So USA thinking, oh, it is very Jewish, oh wow, like that. But they never even knew it is a Islam Judaism. It's a super hell organization. And the leaders in every single operation on the highest level, they are all only Jews, be it Goldman Sachs, be it Bancorp, everywhere, you name it. And they all in the name of God, right? So in the name of Israel, in the name of Jews, they provided help. And if you see the Finance Federal Reserve Architectural Organizations chart, be it LN or what is the name? MNU Munchin, or I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing it. The treasury leader who was in the President Trump admin, he used to wear specs. I don't know, his name starts with M, right? And they all are Jews. In the name of Jews only, they were providing hell after hell. Got it? So they want to fool USA. How they can fool USA? Just say Israel, just say peace war, just say Jews, just say Judaism. And on top of it, they will also say what? Oh no, we just do not like that symbol called swastika. Oh my gosh, it really creates a torture for us, like that. And anti-Semitism, on and on. And I slapped on all the people who are addressing themselves as Jews, and they all kept quiet. They knew. They knew the moment I slapped on the people who are addressing themselves Jews worldwide, including United States of America, right? They all shut their mouth up. Meaning they knew, oh my gosh, oh, is this, oh. And they all fall down in knees before me. That means whoever addressing themselves as Jews in United States of America or anywhere in the earth, they all fallen down in knees before I am that I am. And that is how I slapped on all the human face. Right? So the scandal is not even on the swastika logo part of it, because there is a deep down scandal on the swastika logo alone, which I will address it separate. So you all got it, right? It is never about the color. It's never about the skin color. It's never about African Americans. It's never about white skin. No. Otherwise, even the white skin European Americans, at least who should have got all healthiest help, right? Even they are only thrown on homeless. When I'm walking on the road, I'm seeing African American, I'm also seeing veterans, military also homeless, and I'm also seeing a white American skin population also homeless. So that itself is a proof that even the Department of Children and Families never provided any help to white skin population as well. So it is never about the skin color. It is never about the racism slurs. Okay, people tell it, oh no, it's been created in an organized way, racism way. No, it's not. The scandal I'm talking is about beyond that. And it is not even about gender inequality as well. No. So it is not even about nationality indifferences. Asian versus American versus German versus France, like that. No. The scandal I'm talking is the deadliest one that needs to be burnt in ashes immediately and just get out of the earth now. That's satanic forces. That is what I'm working on. So, just because they did not see, can you all see how many organizations all was created for cunning to get the tax and the dollars from USA government? So 165 Islam rebel organization for tax, and 30 European rebel organization for tax, Organization of Islam organization for tax, then World Zion organization, which is also approximately, when I was working on that poverty free earth, I came to know it was they are having 165 organizations worldwide. So that's also for tax. And all are what? Islam, Judaism, atheism, communism, capitalism, socialism, Marxism, right? And how they are providing a scam. Oh, Russia is a scam. How foolish the USA can be when all the 99.9% of the 3 million population in USA are Germans, bloodline, means default what? Russia. Germany, France, and all the Europe nations were Russia once, my dear fellow mankind. And what is Russia? India. And what is India? Tamil Nadu. Can you all get it? Please, for heaven's sake, digest this truth. Yes, it is hardest because USA is in a panic mode right now. Because USA is having a one deadliest evil satanic map, the blue color map with the blue color star. It is an evil force. It's a satanic flag that USA is having. What is USA going to do? It is panic mode. They cannot come out of it. Because they all provided the trap. But I can step in, boom, boom, boom. I can help USA government what to do. Right? And I only said one thing. Entire Jews population, they all are fallen down in before me. That is all is enough for USA government to know who I am. Right? Because I'm displaying the fake Jews, true Jew. That is why they know that they are fake, and that is why they all have fallen down in knees before me, being aware I only can bail out them, nobody else. When I was saying Goldman Sachs or US Bank Card or any mortgage, Freddie Mac, all are only Jews. The JP Morgan Chase, and how they portray that they are only Jews. The features itself, it will be always white skin, and they will have sharp nose, features like sharp features, like the face will be looking very handsome for men, very pretty for women, like that they portray to the world. Right? Can you all see how cunning they are? And don't you all know, it is a God's plan that it will be super fun for all the nations to know that USA government will sign the job offer to I am, and I'm not in a pretty women category. I'm just average Jane category. And I'm, I can do exercise and work out, but I'm not in that mode right now because I'm already in finance crisis. First I need some help. Then I can work on that. But then, wow, can you understand that why I should get the job offer the way I am, right? Where the obese I am, like that. When people are mocking, when people are bullying, that's how I should get the job. Because that's when the God's name will be glorified as His mood, right? And so you will get it. So please work on who am I, okay? So this will be a total shock for entire population in United States of America, because they do lot of parades, right? Holding that flag alone. So today they'll be in a total shock, because it's a Satan flag. The white color background with a blue color star, fancy star. It's a Satan flag. And they were holding that. They were worshipping that flag like a god. Right? In United States of America, whoever addressing them as a Jews only will be treated as a god, like that. And I already said World War II that Jews prosecution and the finance aid medical aid for $1 million or whatever, that is a scam, is a scam. And beyond that scam part of it, I am not against that whoever address themselves as Jews got the medical finance aid, because they are all my blood drops only. Only thing their brains were being overwritten. So Judaism was created to destroy true Christianity, my fellow mankind. And Judaism is another version of Islam. That's all, as simple as that. And they are, if you are in USA, they will be thinking, oh, they are very holy, holy, holy. No, they are created, they only created all hell. They built Las Vegas. So, can you imagine how scandal and the scandal and the scandal? Right? Yes, it also going to be close to 1 hour. Please bear with me, because the crime is so deadly as my fellow mankind. We need to fix it, right? Don't y'all think so? When an African woman is having a labor pain, when a German American is having a labor pain, when a Chinese pregnant woman is having a labor pain, when a Tamil woman is having a labor pain, right? When a South American woman is having a Spanish woman is having a labor pain, all must be given in same excellent medical services, right? Don't you think so? Or when a South American civilian is begging for food, or when a German American is begging for food, or African American is begging for food, or when European, like France American is begging for food, when a Hindi speaking civilian is begging for food, when a Chinese speaking or a Japanese speaking or Vietnam speaking or Singapore speaking, whatever, when they are begging for food, don't you all think all must get healthy, a cup of organic milk and a slice of organic bread and one healthy organic fruit and healthy vegetable and healthy fats to go with it, to have a healthy meal, right? Don't you all think so? So why that basic humanity got destroyed? And did humanity fail education, or did education fail humanity? You all tell me. You all keep your hands in your heart and tell me. Right? We are all humans. I know you all must be shedding tears of blood inside your heart, because you can't show it out. Right? Certain things, you all might be wondering how on the earth this lady is nailing down on all the crimes just like that. Means you all might be wondering, oh, is there something, is she a magician, is she what, like that? But I am just talking with whatever God has given me the wisdom, right? Tell me. So you all now know that World Zion Organization is going to be sealed and shut down immediately for wild endangered species, for humane endangered species, for holy man marriage law endangered species, for family law bonding endangered species, right? So you all got it why there is no family values in USA. You all got it why humans, both men are where men are treated as sex machines and women are treated as sex machines in USA. You all got it that how long different types of marriage types was created for their selfish pleasures, right? They all created by World Zion Organization. They just do not have any human nerve at all, man and fellow. Their blood cells are very dangerous, absolutely dangerous. As a true civil lawyer, I can treat and I can heal all the Islam population, all the Judaism population, one by one. How many population are there? Next to the Christianity, largest population is Islam, Judaism population after all. So probably there will be in another billions only. I can treat and heal all the billions people, and they are aware of it. Or entire Islam population, entire Judaism population, entire non-Christian population, entire atheism population are aware that I, Veda Priya, a true civil doctor, a true friend, a guardian angel, will stand side by side and holding their hands, and I will cure and heal all of them. Because I know their brains, nerves have been enforced and damaged, and they are absolutely innocent. Oh no, they are absolutely innocent. There is no other. What did I say? The non-Christians are the definition of innocent. Meaning, let's say if I'm walking on the road and an Islam civilian shoots me and kills me, it is innocence. If I'm walking on the road and a Judaism civilian kills me, there is an absolute innocence in that patient, in that civilian. So can you get it? Can you all understand what is innocence after all? But then even that was also illusionized, and people were faking what is innocence, and people never knows what is innocence after all, and then I have to explain and educate what is innocence after all. So that means even whatever you name, any type of abuse that the Islam and the Judaism are providing, because their lifestyle is a filthy lifestyle, right? They can marry as many as they want, polygamy, like that, right? But then there is no other innocence that can be found in non-Christians. Got it? So they must be the highest population in the helping chart to be helped first. Not even, I will say, I will only slap on the entire Christian population, and I'll just ask them to get out of the earth now, one by one. If they, oh no, see, we are Protestants. Oh no, see, we are Lutherans. Oh no, see, we are Christian evangelicals. Oh no, see, we are evangelists who provide the sermon, like Billy Graham, like that. I will say, just get out of the earth now. Got it? Because they are the one who overlooked everything, and they misguided, and they are still fooling out people, and that needs to be stopped. And do you all know, I have to address this, you all know why Billy Graham died in the 1990s. He would have stayed forever, right? But why he died? I already said I am the excellent to identify innocence level, and I'll also even put innocence code. So when I was working on the Poverty-Free Earth end of the year 2030 volunteer project, I was working on all this analysis, breaking my head on what poverty, why poverty, like that. So I was reaching out every single root cause, to identify the root cause, because a root cause, when a root cause is identified, then everything gets solved. So I was wondering why. Then boom, I got it, right? So when I was in the analysis process, I came across this Stephen Hawkins, right? He's a physicist, and he's an educationist, right? And he's the London based, and he's been there for his entire life, and people were worshipping only him as a god. He's an atheist, meaning he says that there is never God, and humans are created from monkeys. So that is what he is. And then who is the other man? That Playboy, the prostitution organization founder, co-founder, Playboy. It's called, the organization is called the Playboy, and you all might be aware of it. Comes under the entertainment media services classification only, right? So Playboy CEO or founder or whatever, I don't know his name, but he's an old man. Even he was in the 90s only. Then this Billy Graham man, and in my judgment, in my book of civil law, I was providing who is the prostitute, who is innocent, who is not innocent more. Means the first prostitute level is Billy Graham. Boom, he died. He just cannot take the truth, because all his entire life he has been only an evangelist, Christian evangelist, and that too Republica white skin evangelist. And how much of crowd will be in his sermon, right? And whenever the people are there in his sermon, he'll always put that song only, Just As I Am, right? It's a very famous song. You go and ask any Christian people, they will know that there's a song in that song. They know that song. It's in, I don't know about other spoken language, it is there in Tamil. Okay, well, down the road I will even sing that song for you all to be in the same page. It says, just as I am. So, he being a Christian evangelist, he provided what? He provided a false prophecy and misguided everybody. That is a crime. He's a prostitute after. I explained that. He died. He could not take it. That's why he died. But then, I even said, yes, the Playboy, the Playboy, the prostitution organization founder is also a prostitute. But the innocent is more for him, right? And then I also said, yes, the Steve Hawkins, who is an educationist from London, Oxford, whatever, worshipping as a god and atheist guru, is also prostitute. But then his level is second in line. Means highest innocent is only Playboy CFO. I provided this civil justice in my book of civil law. And whole nations was shocked. United States of America was absolutely shocked. Because I'm saying the truth. The ass is more. I already said entire prostitution population are holy saints. Right? Because they don't even know what they're doing. That's all is for innocence. Because their brain is not operating correctly. And even in that, only men are getting slaughtered. So that even in the prostitution service life cycle, it is always men only getting slaughtered. I educated that also. So can you all see how, so those three are the live examples of my excellent civil justice process. So then I educated on their deathbed. All these three people would have only cried and prayed to God to forgive them. And then they died. They would have died. Because in true Christianity, nobody can talk for nobody. Got it? It is always one-on-one session. When I am asking President Joe Biden to run, fall down, and pray to God and ask forgiveness from God, means I am not joking. He should have done that. And he will resign any moment. Now tell me, there's a Playboy prostitution organization. What is President Joe Biden going to do about that? Because it is a family endangerment organization. But United States of America is having it. Why? World Zion Organization says it is healthiest. Why? They want to have tax. At the cost of why? At the cost of destroying the innocent civilians' life. And you all know that Playboy mansion, that thing was even sold out, or it was renovated or destroyed or whatever it is, because people know. See, people knew that they were all enforced into slavery, even the entertainment population. Only thing they don't know how to come out of that slavery. They got stuck up. So that is why entire entertainment population have fallen down in knees before me, being ever I only can even bail out them. See, when people are mocking at the entertainment actors, movie directors like that, um, I was the one who stepped in and said, just do not do that. They don't know what they're doing. They're absolute innocent. And I provided the entertainment reform processing. Already the tasks are being worked on. That is why before and all they will use those keywords just like that in the TV advertisement or the TV news or the comedy channels. But then they provided the beep sound, boom, boom, boom. Do you all know how it got beep sound? Worldwide it became it became a reform. How? It was because of my wisdom education alone. So people started to think about, oh my gosh, this is the wisest way. How on the earth we forgot this wisdom ways? And they were thanking me only forever. That means each and every single entertainment are absolutely happiest. Must be happiest being aware that, oh, is this where the Priya lady was only educating the few years back? Oh my, like that. So you all got it. When you are switching on your television, any shows, the beep sound will come whenever people are using the keywords. Yes, people whenever they get frustrated, they use keywords. Some use it for fashion. They think that as if they'll become like a god when they use keywords, and that is a foolishness after all. But then, no matter what, if you are going to be on that movies or anywhere, it is going to be beeped. Means it's going to be muted. Those keywords. And how much of labor I provided, that's $1 trillion teamwork, right? And USA government have to pay me another tax-free $1 billion for that salary alone. Can you imagine how much salary also US owes me? Okay, so I will continue with this. Just is already 1 hour. So please be patient. It might take 10 minutes or so, 10 or 15 minutes, okay? So, who created the World Zionism organization? Queen Elizabeth II. Now, if she had married in a true love, holy marriage mode, she would not have created this hell organization. So, you got it, right? You all got it how Queen Elizabeth II only created mandated prostitution organizations. So, that means even the Playboy CFO, he is a slave to Queen Elizabeth II. Got it? The Las Vegas organizations, the casinos, they are all slaves to Queen Elizabeth II. President Trump shut down the Taj Mahal casino because of my wisdom education only, and he must be glad he did that, and he will thank me forever. Right? Those are all the testimony, my fellow mankind, and they know my hard labor, how I worked on. Only thing is they never provided me the salary, and I should get the salary now. So anyways, so that means the Revelation 18th chapter is indeed World Zion Organization. Got it? World Zion Organization is what? It's a Babylon prostitution organization. It was mandated in United States of America. United States of America never knows that because they are thinking Zion means true Israel like that, and the fake Israel only is enslaved USA. USA never knows that. And today, everybody knows it. USA knows it. And they will do the rightful wisdom. And they will listen only to me. They will not listen to anybody, period. Just let's put it that way. USA will listen only to me, nobody else. Okay, Republica Queen Elizabeth II created World Zionism is the deadliest communism, is atheism, is paganism, is Islam Judaism organization in USA to enforce and mandate robocall poverty mandate in all 193 nations worldwide, and it is a crime absolute. So World Zion organization have approximately 165 organizations. It is the same mirror of Islam Judaism paganism in a different version. Headquartered in United States of America is a fireproof why USA is one deadliest Babylon, is an Islam, Judaism, atheism, communism nation. Sadly, USA government, USA national leaders, they never knew. So World Zion Organization of USA never educated USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, and a true civil supreme civil judge, and it is fatal negligence of World Zion Organization to be fatal negligence and for hiding the truth of fake Israel to fool USA nation forever. That it's the deadliest crime the World Zion Organization provided to USA. There is no other crime, right? There is no other crime. USA thinking France is a true Israel. No. USA thinking United Arab Emirates is the true Israel. No. USA is thinking Syria, Iran, Turkey is the true Israel. No. USA is thinking London is true Israel. No. It got fooled. For how long? 500 long years. And so either USA government should say knows who is Republica World Organization of USA, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica World Organization of USA. So World Organization of USA is classified as the deadliest domestic violent organization, human endangerment, child endangerment, family bonding endangerment, holy marriage endangerment, humanity endangerment, finance law endangerment, and then that comes under the breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation in injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, trespass to land and types, trespass to chattels and type. Error is World Zion Organization is an Islam Judaism headquarters in United States of America, created robocall poverty mandate, and it is the deadliest crime as of February 2021. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, President Joe Biden will resign immediately without any notice. As of February 6, 2021, civil justice sign-off is, I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off for myself. Because United States of America with fatal negligence enforced poverty on me by enforcing, created the robocall poverty, and that is the deadliest crime of USA. USA do not have any birthright to enforce poverty for me. I own USA. So I am native Indian tribe. So Republica World Zionism is the deadliest communism, is atheism, is a paganism, is Islam Judaism organization in the United States of America. With fatal negligence, failed to educate, USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge. And Republican government GOP leader Mitch McConnell is a slave to World Zion Organization. Got it? So he is mandated to look at fault only. But there's that little bit of that innocent part. That is why I only can bail these people. Right? They are all slaves to the World Zion Organization. Meaning directly they are slaves to Queen Elizabeth II, I would say, or Pope. And President Trump is also slave to Queen Elizabeth II. And Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh is also slave to Queen Elizabeth II. So that is why when they ordered them to create the robocall, they created the robocall. Why? Because I was saying that nobody should pay tax and nation should never collect tax. Means they got frustrated. They got super mad. All of a sudden their scandal organization process have to be abruptly stopped, means they got super mad at me. And they created enforce the poverty. So then civil justice to be served, right? In front of all nations. They cannot go and hide. World Zion Organization in United States of America, they just cannot go and hide. I will only throw that organization in volcano immediately. Means I will just evacuate all the population in that organization. I will just ask the United States of America to use a drone and just lift that World Zion Organization in USA, boom, throw it on the volcano in Hawaii. That's all, according to the Holy Bible. I never asked for any Islam crap and Judaism crap in earth to create hell for me. Who are they to create hell for me? When I never asked for Islam crap and Judaism crap. Right? And you all got it. Why the Islam and Judaism entire population fallen down in knees before me means it's, I will say that there's a true versus a fake. That's all I can say for now, because down the road only I can reveal who am I, who who is I am, or who am I, right? Okay, so with fatal negligence, the world Zionism only created robocall, so they have to pay the price. So, the GOP leader Mitch McConnell and President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh, uh, mandated poverty to I Vedapriya Pro se abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 October 2018 abruptly, and enforced finance debt of $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 6th of 2021. I think I remembered one more testimony. I think how that Supreme Court job even came to be an opening, meaning if I understood it correctly, it was during that President Obama administration only. One of the Supreme Court judge was an Italian, wearing the specs, I don't know the name. He died because I was displaying all the scandals, right? So people were getting that conscience mode, and they were just thinking that they should not be in a judge mode anymore. He died, and that is how that job opening was opened. And if I understood it correctly, even President Obama wanted to nominate another person who was also wearing the specs, Garland or something like that, a man only for Supreme Judge, and the Republican Mitch McConnell rejected upfront. And then you all know what happened. The Brett Kavanaugh is also a scandal. So everybody knows that I am only the Supreme Judge, but I never got the job. So they were in the stealing that job mode. So this is a excellent testimony which I have to add on. Okay, and so then you all know now who is creating the hell. It is a World Zion Organization. It is headquartered only in the USA. It is all ruled by Pope Francis and Queen Elizabeth II, all in different names. So one side Jesuits sounds like a Jesus. One side Zionism sounds like Zion, like Israel. And one side Absolute Monarch sounds like a God. And one side Republica sounds like, oh, perfect, like that. And in the name of that only they were creating hell. So when so the crime for Republica, World Zionism is deadliest, communism is atheism, is paganism, is because when they are the one who ruling USA, they never educated USA, should never enforce poverty to the prayer. That is a crime of World Zion Organization of USA. So, for civil justice, I, Vedapriya Pro se, want USA Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,210.38 in full and sign off tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account. So you all know now, Citibank CEO was also a World Zion Organization slave. Okay, that is why he created the robocall to me. Okay, and each Republica, World Zionism is the deadliest communism, atheism. So they all, there are approximately 165 organizations. So each of them must pay $1 billion to my account, and that would be approximately $165 billion that must be approximately provided as a direct deposit to my bank account. And at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis and the Republican government of USA will provide the guidance, because they know what is World Zion Organization, right? So then, because I displayed the Absolute Monarch scandal to USA, I also want, I, Vedapriya Pro se, want United States of America to rename the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name, and that is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Pro se, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Supreme Civil Chief Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Exports, Department of Military, etc. in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, must get dual citizenship of US and India now is the civil justice served. So now we are all on the same page, and yes, it went 1 hour and close to 15 minutes, and the next session will go faster because whatever I explained, it's all you all aware of it, right? How Islam and Judaism are cunning, and they are providing the same organization in different names because all that's how they can collect tax, they can get money. Can you all see how Dubai is building skyscrapers? Because everything is interrelated and all the root causes identified. That's a good news, right? And yes, I signed off the civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines. So USA is the happiest nation as of now. Okay, thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye now.